What is up, my damn peeps? Welcome back to our video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can put a thumbnail in your videos, but only on Chrome. I'm going to do one on iPhone and iPad later. It should work on iPad anyway. So what you want to do, I'm just going to quickly do this. Right, so you want to go into Google and get your thumbnail. So say you were doing like a bacon thumbnail. So you put bacon thumbnail. Then if you go over to images, it'll come up with some of these, and you can pick whatever you want. So say you wanted to pick banana pudding recipe. What you want to do is get these two fingers right here and just tap with your two fingers. Then you want to go down to save image as. Then you should come up with your files. I'm just going to put in a file. Then if you remove my webcam up here, as you can see there's open. You press that, save, then show in folder. Then it should come up. New folder should come up here, as you can see. Then you want to click off that and go over to new tab. If you don't have this here, just type in YouTube, like that. Then it should come up here. You press on it. Also, I'll take you. So what you want to do is actually, if you've already made like an account on like the Chromebook or something, it's already on your email. But if you're on a phone and you want to edit it, that means you have to put your exact same email and password what you put in for your email and password for your YouTube account. So then you want to do is wait for it to load. See, now it's loading. So then you want to go to your profile here. Then it should come up with YouTube Studio. You want to click on that. Then it'll load up. Wait for it to load. Sometimes it takes a while. Let's see. Hurry up. Right, now it comes up with my broadcast 14 hours ago. So as you can see, I've already put my hang now. So if you go over to videos, and you go down to pick any video you want. I've already made like a YouTube video. What's this one? So press on it like that. Just press on the wee already thumbnail what it has. Then go. If it doesn't already come up with details on that, you should click on details, as you see. Also, there's editor. If you press on that, that's something different. You can edit your videos, but you want to go to details to get it. So go on details, video details.
I heard that.
Then you want to go down and press on the thumbnail, and it should come up with 3 dots in a line. Press on that, then you press change. then you get the one what you want. Where is it? I don't see where. I don't know where the thing went, but anyway, I'm just going to pick this one. So it will change to that. Then it comes up here, save. You want to press save. And as you can see, it will come up like that. Then wait for that to get to the end. Then changes saved, as it can see. Then also, if you want it, you can put as like, you make age restriction and stuff like that. You can add tags. So now it's already saved, as you can see. You want to go back on, press your account again and go into YouTube. Wait for it to load. Then, wait. I'll just wait for this to load. So as you can see, search. You want to press on that. Type in your channel name. Then you go over to your channel. Then it should come up. But obviously mine is private, so that's why you can't see it. I mean, you'll be able to see it here. So it comes up with the thing. So yeah, that's how you do it. I'm going to be making one how to do on iPhone. So stay tuned for that. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video. Peace.